For this episode, I will be showing you some Rubik's Cube patterns. The first one is called the cube inside a cube inside a cube, and it looks like this. Next one is called the block, and it looks something like this. Next one is called the anaconda, and it looks like this snake going all the way across the cube. This one is called the checkerboard, which is very simple. Just middle, 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 and you get a checkerboard pattern. The next one is also very simple. I'll post this algorithm, but it's called the dot. Final algorithm is also very simple. Right, left inverted, right, left inverted, right, left inverted, right, left inverted, right, left inverted. And you're doing this as you rotate the cube, and you'll get the staircase pattern.